Hi guys, it's Becca. Today we've got the October 2019 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop to open. And just in case you've been living under a rock, the Sew Sampler box is a monthly subscription box that is curated by Fat Quarter Shop. Usually includes fabric, a pattern, and a notion or two. It costs $29.90, which includes shipping inside the United States, and usually the items down inside will retail for anywhere between $45 and $60. So overall, it's a pretty good value. Last I checked, again, this is October 25th, 2019, but last I checked, this box is waitlisted. So if you are interested in getting it at any time in the future, I would highly encourage you to join the waiting list. All right, without further ado, let's dive in to my sew sampler. Okay, inside every box we always have a theme card. Inside every box we always have a theme card, and this month is no different. It just says Savannah Safari. I can read. I promise you I can read. For October 2019. On the back side of those cards, there is usually a coupon code, but in this case, we have an advertisement for Lori Holt's Farm Girl Vintage 2 book. So, no coupon code. You get to see the back side this time. All right, next up is our pamphlet that tells us all about the goodies inside, and I already see... Sorry, I got distracted. I already see one thing in here that I know I'm going to like. So, let's dive in. I normally save this for last, but we're going to look at the fabric first. So the fabric is the Adventure Fat Eighth Bundle by Elizabeth Hartman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. This includes 10 fat eighths, and it retails for $17.99. It does say that it is a mix of Adventure by Elizabeth Hartman and Essex Yarn Dyed Linen Blend. It was curated by Elizabeth exclusively for the Sew Sampler box. She encourages you to explore further on your quilting journey. Okay, thanks, Elizabeth. These are very much fall colors. I'm not going to pull them all apart, but I'm going to pull back the ribbon so you can see. This is the first fat eighth, and then this is the second one. And there we go. That's pretty. It's got some yellow in there. I really like the linen ones. Those are very nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. This is very fall. I could get into this. I'm not a fall color person. Oh, look at those. Are those... I don't know. I think they're lemmings because of the tail. That's cute. I like them. And then the orange on the back. Got a little interrupted because my daughter's upstairs and I'm in the basement, and she just called me to tell me that she's scared because she heard a noise. So I think she's going to come right in that little corner in a minute. I think she's going to join us down here. So let's continue the unboxing, and maybe she can help us if she shows up. Again, this retails for $17.99. The next item we have is an assortment of tins, and I just gotta tell you, I am a stationery fanatic. I love stationery items, and I really like Lori Holt. So all of those things together make my heart very happy. We have got one of her tins, and I have that upside down. This one says, Write Your Story, and this is perfect for note cards or notions or other fun things. It says that this item retails for $7.98, and it looks like you could have gotten through one of a few. You could have gotten this one, a mid-size one, or a smaller one. I got the largest one, it looks like. Tins are assorted colors, and sizes may vary. All right. Next up is the Sewing Edge Stops. And you know, I could have used this about an hour ago when I was working on my pieces. I always have a hard time finding exactly where my fabric needs to line up for my perfect or scant 1/4 inches. So this might be able to help. I may actually use them. These are repositional purple vinyl straps, and they got a bit of a height to them. So the idea is you lay them on the bed of your machine, and it'll give you like a little sewing ledge, and they're repositionable, and you have 5 of them in here. These retail for $8.98. And yeah, I'm going to put one of these on my machine after I'm done recording. Ooh. We have first ones to receive this, we have a can't talk today, a mini Kona color calendar for 2020. And does it start in January or does it start earlier? Let's see. It starts in January, so I'll have to set this aside for a few months. But each part of the calendar has something pretty up here. It has a color theme, and then each square in here has a color. And it tells you the color from the Kona Cotton Solids line. So that's cool. There's January, February, March. March should have been green for St. Patrick's Day. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Huh, very nice. Yeah, this is cool. This retails for $10.98. We were the first to receive it. I think the only thing, I do like this and I will hang it up in my room. The only thing that I really don't like about it is I can't write on the squares because some of these squares are too dark. But it does look like when you're flipping through this that they tried to strategically place some of those darker squares. So like in here, you'll see the really dark ones are on a Sunday, but the rest of the ones, they get kind of lighter as they go over. So I don't know. You can always use the note space down at the bottom and make notes. And if you get little miniature stickers for a mini calendar, that would work well too. Cool. Calendar. We have a VIP pass. 4 amazing offers inside this brochure. I will not show you the inside because these are coupon codes. They all expire on November 25th. I will tell you what they are. There's 20% off of Kona cotton and solids. There's 20% off Aurifil thread. There's 25% all of their quilt patterns. And there is a free yardstick box with any $15 shippable purchase. The only problem that I really have with all this is that they all have to be separate orders. You cannot combine your coupon codes, and that kind of bothers me because then I got to pay shipping 4 times. When they could just put it all in one box and I could pay for one shipping. That's annoying. There is an advertisement on the back for the brand new log cabin paper, which you can see on Fat Quarter Shop's YouTube channel. It's paper piecing log cabins, and then there is also a book called Pillow Talk by Edita Sitar of Laundry Basket Quilts, and this is what the back of the pamphlet looks like. All right, the pattern for this month's box. The pattern for this month's box retails for $9.98, and it is making this banana leaves quilt. Looks like the material that you will need to make this 40 by 50 inch quilt is 5 fat eighths, and we've definitely got some of those here. We also need, we need 5 print fabric fat eighths for the leaves. We need 5 solid fabrics for leaves, so all 10 of these should make this very nicely. And then you need a 1/4 yard solid for the stem detail, some background fabric, which is 1 7/8 yard, some backing fabric 2 3/4 yard, and binding, which is a 1/2 yard, and then batting, which should just be 44 by 54. Huh. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, and so if you want to see the fabric we got in the bundle, this is a close-up of the fabrics that we got. There's 5 prints and 5 solids, and this is how they coordinate together. It looks pretty good. I like it. Okay. This does look pretty easy to do. Looks like you're going to make some strip sets, and then you're just going to dog ear some corners and sew on a border on some of those, and you should be, then you just do some sashing. Nice. I kind of want to make this one. Isn't that cute? I kind of want to make that one. Guess I could use my 25% off coupon code to get that pattern. All right, the last item in the box is another one of the blocks for the Goodness Grows Sew Along with Corey Yoder. I have been collecting these. I think all these blocks are super cute, and I really like her fabric, but I haven't started it yet. So this will go in my collection with my other Goodness Grows. I won't say recipe cards because it's more like a piece of paper folded in half, but it is nice and thick cardstock. This retails for $4.98. If you want to buy any of these recipe cards on their website, you can buy all 12. Each one is $4.98. Thanks for opening the Sew Sampler October 2019 box with me. I hope you enjoyed unwrapping all of the items that Fat Quarter Shop sent out this month. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.